Happy Independence Day and welcome to the Average Joe Gun Show. On today's gun show, I'm going to try the Baer Solutions 3R33 drill. From 10 yards, draw and fire 3 rounds, reload, fire 3 rounds right hand and 3 rounds wrong hand. And then it's on a hit factor scale, so you take the total points divided by the time. Let's see how it goes. All right, that's 11.94. Let's see how the hits are. Looks pretty good. And that's alphas, so it's 5, 10, 15, 25, 35, 45 points total. And I will multiply that in a bit and put that right down there for the total time. Thanks for watching.